Hello friends, I am Sameera Aziz from Saudi Media. There has been a rumor surrounding here and there that Saudi Arabia has included Hindu religion related education in a new curriculum of school children. The rumors say that Hinduism and Buddhism history, Ramayana and Mahabharata history, and the concepts of dharma and karma, etc., are included in the Saudi syllabus. They linked it with the Saudi Vision 2030 and vehemently claiming that it is the policy of Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman.
Ramayana and Mahabharata, two of the greatest epics from India, will soon be taught in the schools of Saudi Arabia. This decision has been taken under the Vision 2030 initiative of the Saudi Crown Prince.
Inspired by some Indian media, some Pakistani media also spread such news, but alas, no one wants to ask about the Saudi government's opinion.
आलमे इस्लाम को मुबारक हो। आलमे इस्लाम का जो चौधरी है उसने अपना पिंड बदल लिया है। रामायण पढ़ाई जाएगी, बाकायदा बच्चों को पढ़ाई जाएगी।
Then what happened next? Everyone started to make hated videos against Saudi Arabia and the Saudi Crown Prince and started commenting negatively. Whatever anyone was able to do to express his hate, he did so. India Today said Saudi Arabia includes Ramayana, Mahabharata in the new curriculum for students. There is a Buayan News which said Ramayana and Mahabharata will soon be taught in Saudi Arabia. Crown Prince MBS has directed schools to include the two Indian epics in their curriculum. But the real issue is something else. The person's tweet, which the media quoted for spreading the false news, was Saudi woman Nof Al-Marwai. She is the first certified yoga instructor, a founder of Saudi Yoga Foundation, and has received the prestigious Indian award called the Padma Shri Award. The dispute started at the tweet of Nof Al-Marwai when she shared her children's social studies examination paper, which were in the MCQs or multiple choice questions format. So based on those tweets, the media started to spread false rumors against Saudi Arabia and Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman. Some YouTubers expressed the possibility of introducing the subject of comparative studies because they think there is nothing wrong with it, and this way a common ground of understanding can be established. But the point is that there is nothing happened like this because the children of Nofal Marwai do not study in the Saudi government school. They study in an international school. Later on, Nofal Marwai clarified as well in her tweet. She said that my tweet about my son's exam went viral due to the Indian media reports. Let me clarify this. The school is a Saudi well-known international school for Saudi and Arabic speakers. The curriculum is approved by the MOE. It is not a national Saudi ministry's curriculum. I never said that. She further said that I mentioned Vision 2030 because it is something everyone and sector was ordered to follow. Many changes took place since the vision, which is more inclusive, international, and supports wider education version. I was not contacted by any media before it was published by them. The curriculum on ancient Indian history and civilization, which was promoted in the wrong way as a new Saudi curriculum, has been already an existing syllabus of the international schools in Saudi Arabia. And the private schools of the Indian community teach it to its students from earlier. But there is nothing to do with it with the Saudi Vision 2030. It is linked with the Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman through false statements. Whenever there are changes in the Saudi educational syllabus, the Saudi Ministry of Education formally announces it. No such announcement has happened like what has been propagated in the media. Saudi Vision 2030 is a progressive vision that has been implemented strategically to benefit the Saudi economy. Since 5 years under the Saudi Vision 2030, Saudi Arabia has achieved a lot. Thanks for watching us. Please like, share and subscribe and do comments as well. See you next time. Till then, Ma as salama. Bye bye.